kindly put yourself on mute. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Anisha Nair Dhawan, and it's an absolute honor and pleasure for me to be present here at the ISW Council's flagship event, the fourth CSR Health Impact Awards 2020 COVID-19 edition, in association with Jagran Pehal. We are extremely thankful to our respected jury members for their time and contribution to the fourth edition of these awards. Justice Satvendra Kumar, former Judge, Supreme Court of India and former Chairperson of the National Green Tribunal, Mr. JVR Prasad Rao, former Union Health Secretary, the Government of India and Special Advisor to UNAID, Ms. Meenakshi Lekhi, Member of Parliament, Mr. M.R. Rajgopalan, Chairman, Pallium India and Director, Trivandrum Institute of Palliative Sciences, Mr. Devashish Danda, Professor and Dr. Devashish Danda, Professor and Founder of Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, CNC Vellore, and President-elect, Asia Pacific League of Association of Rheumatology, Dr. Prakriti Poddar, Managing Director, Poddar Foundation, Dr. Sachin Bajaj, Founder Director, Ujala Signals Healthcare Services, and Dr. Gurpreet Sandhu, President, Council for Healthcare and Pharma. We are delighted to have Artist and Wish Foundation as our silver partner, Huriba as our special partner, World Toilet Organization, Global Interfaith Wash Alliance, and BOP Hub as our supporting partners, and Teamwork Communication as our communication partner. We would also like to thank all companies, institutions, and social organizations and individuals for sending their nominations in various categories to the fourth edition of the awards. It is remarkable to see such amazing work initiated for all of humanity. The Integrated Health and Wellbeing Council, IHWC, is a not-for-profit organization dedicated towards creating a positive synergy among people and living beings through accountable actions and to inspire them to maintain a healthy and positive state of mind and make well-being a permanent act in life. It is our extreme pleasure and privilege to conceptualize and organize such rewarding initiatives for organizations, companies, CSR arms, and other new social businesses, startups, and individuals. All of them are engaged in such remarkable, sustainable, scalable, responsible work for humanity to uplift communities and societies. In our 3-year journey, we have made a mark by successfully hosting 3 grand events, felicitated more than 180 CSR and social initiatives and individuals with the guidance of the renowned dignitaries as our jury members, and prominent organizations as our supporters and partners. We are truly honored and thank them all for their valuable support for this initiative and to the Council. Now, 2020 has been a rather unusual year. The world is facing a pandemic which is not only straining our healthcare system, but also creating economic and social uncertainties. We, as the Health and Wellbeing Institution of India, have become more firm and responsible in our ideology to promote health for all, engage with all entities to working towards uplifting communities, societies, and the needy, and support government initiatives for well-being of the people of our country. Therefore, we feel that the need for continuing the 4th edition of CSR Health Impact Awards 2020 with a focus on highlighting contribution of organizations and individuals fighting COVID-19 and also noticeable achievements in main CSR categories. There has been a tremendous amount of work and planning that has gone into making this evening possible, and I would like to thank all our partners for making this evening so special. A very big thank you to all of you who have wholeheartedly supported this initiative by being present. We are sure that today's evening is going to be a memorable one for all of us. Let's hit rewind and take a look at the journey of CSR Health Impact Awards.
health is one of the most critical indicators of country's development. A nation whose citizens do not have access to quality healthcare cannot hope to become a global power. With rising incidence of lifestyle diseases and continuing prevalence of malnutrition and communicable diseases, India has been facing a complex healthcare scenario. Given the range of health challenges, it was deemed imperative to create neutral spaces to get everyone talking about health. Thus, the Integrated Health and Wellbeing Council was formed, with the aim to engage in everything concerned with health and well-being of human enterprise in existence. Over the years, IHW Council instituted a number of initiatives including the India Health and Wellness Summit and Awards, the Ayushman Bharat Conclave and the CSR Health Impact Awards. Corporate social responsibility, which was mandated and implemented by the Indian government in 2014, had begun having significant impact on the health and social development landscape within a few years of its launch. Lack of funds has always been a big hurdle towards India's goal to universal healthcare, and CSR initiatives had begun facilitating a significant usage of funds that help to improve overall quality of life. From 2014 to 2019, the companies under CSR mandate had a total prescribed spend of rupees 56,000 crores. Such investment, if driven in the health sector, can prove to be the best investment strategy to drive positive health outcomes. Noting the impactful efforts in CSR space, IHW Council instituted CSR Health Impact Awards in 2017 to inspire organizations to drive a nationwide CSR-based health movement. With every edition, the CSR Health Impact Awards, a jury-driven initiative, has judged various health CSR projects across multiple domains based on their effectiveness, sustainability and scalability. Impactful initiatives were recognized and the many organizations were awarded for their CSR efforts. The initiative has received wholehearted support of the leading policymakers, industry captains, community leaders, innovators, health experts, celebrities and influencers. The forum also received an overwhelming response from the industry. Several legendary brands have come out to support these efforts and have become the real change agents. CSR Health Impact Awards became yet another IHW Council platform to launch various impactful programs that aimed to drive the country towards better health. Continuing with our efforts, we bring to you the prestigious 4th CSR Health Impact Awards 2020 COVID edition. While the world entered into the year of health hazards, economy and social uncertainties due to COVID-19 pandemic, we become more firm and responsible in our ideology to promote health for all, engage more entities working towards uplifting the communities, societies and needy, and trying to support the government initiatives for the health and environment for the people of our country. Therefore, we felt the need for continuing our 4th edition of CSR Health Impact Awards 2020 with the focus on highlighting the contribution of organizations and individuals fighting COVID-19 and also the noticeable achievements in the main CSR categories. We thank our distinguished jury members for their kind help and contribution as the jury of the 4th edition, and also prominent organizations as our supporters and partners. We are truly honored and thank them for their most valuable support for their health initiative and to the Council.
Right. To start with, I would like to invite Kamal Narayan, the CEO of IHW Council, to please address all participants today and talk to us about the fourth edition of the CSR Health Impact Awards, which are happening in very unusual circumstances.
Thank you so much, Anisha. Good evening to everyone. I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart for joining us this evening. The ongoing health crisis has snatched the opportunity of hosting you all physically and having the pleasure of celebrating your remarkable contribution in a more hospitable ceremony. The pandemic disrupted and impacted most aspects of our lives, but it could not stop all of you from fulfilling your duties towards the people, communities, and humanity. It even made most of you do more. This crisis brought out the best in us. Lakhs of people threw themselves into helping women, children, elderly, hungry, migrants, patients, and all those who needed a helping hand, consolation, or care. These are many unsung heroes who have worked fearlessly and tirelessly to help others. We can't award these millions of anonymous people, but we can certainly show our deep gratitude for them. We were overwhelmed to see much of work that numerous organizations, charity institutions, and individuals did during this last 4 5 months of pandemic. The limitations of any process-driven recognition is that everyone cannot be winner. But you all, especially those individuals and volunteers who came out to support people around them in whatever manner they could, are winners in your own rights. We are happy that, along with many positives that the crisis has shown to us, it has literally made health everyone's business. The CSR Health Impact Award was instituted to underline the fact that health is everyone's responsibility and everyone shall contribute to it. We at IHW Council has always been emphasizing on this message while exhorting people, governments and businesses to invest their efforts, resources and money to ensure good air, good food, good water, good lifestyle that includes good sanitation and good health care to achieve the dividends of good health for all. I'm sure that you will continue your efforts and your initiatives to bring health and well-being for our society, for our people and our planet. I deeply thank our jury members, former NGT head and lifelong crusader of environment and human rights Justice Surendra Kumar, BJP MP Meenakshi Lekhi, veteran public health expert JVR Prasada Rao, Dr. M.K. Rajgopal, Dr. Devasis Danda, and my friend and well-wisher Dr. Suchil Bajaj, Dr. Prakriti Poddar, and Dr. Gurupreet Sandhu for their enormous support in identifying the winners in a neutral, process-driven manner. With this, I welcome you all again to this celebration of good intent and great actions for making India a healthier, happier nation. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Kamal. And we really thank our jury members from the bottom of our heart because it really these are unusual times and they have taken the time out, used technology to assess all the entries that have come in and have made a great effort to pick out the winners. I would like to request Dr. M.R. Rajgopalan, the chairman of Iridium India and director to Vantram Institute of Palliative Sciences, to please talk about the entire selection process and what he thought of for deserving candidates.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for unmuting me. Kamal and team, it was a great pleasure to be part of the jury. I would rather leave it to you to describe the jury selection process. But what it gave me was an overview of all the fantastic work that's been happening all over the country. We do have a lot of problems in this country, particularly in the health sector. And maybe we are where we are and not far below where we are, only because there are all these initiatives. I congratulate you all, you and your team, on this initiative. Many of these initiatives need to be talked about, need to be aired, need to be made, people need to be made aware of them. For one, so that initiatives will get more support. And secondly, because those who do need help will know that help is available in such quarters. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rajgopal, for all your support. Anisha, over to you.
Yes. We're very grateful to our jury members
Seems to be
for the effort that they have put in. I would request Dr. Devashi Chanda, the professor and founder of Clinical Immunology and Rheumatology, CMC Vellore, to please say a few words.
Good evening. This is a great honor for me to be part of the jury. This pandemic has taught our nation many strengths and weaknesses of our healthcare system. The healthcare delivery system of our nation is completely exposed in terms of lack of public health system, the poor family medicine, which should be the number one specialty in the country. There's also very poor public participation in the health system. There is also almost non-existent or very limited acute care services across the nation. On the other hand, a lot of strengths also have come out. The strengths are there are so many great souls working day and night in this crisis, and even when the time was not having pandemics like COVID, there are a lot of silent workers who have been working for the health of the nation. The health of the nation cannot be purely a government activity. It has to have public and the private participation. And encouragement is something which is very important for everyone, whether you are a child of kindergarten or you are a 75-year-old man if you are doing some mission. The encouragement brings out the strength, and it really builds the internal faculty of minds of great thinkers, which can be applied to improve our society. In this mission, I appreciate IHW Council, especially Mr. Kamal Narayan, for taking this great initiative and continuing this IHW awards in the health sector, where people have contributed in different aspects of health, both in terms of COVID related as well as in general health services. These are the unsung heroes who have not been probably noticed by many people in the society. So I'm very happy to be part of this the award ceremony, to be part of the jury, and I wish all the best to everybody Congratulations to the winners, but I must tell you, those who have not got the awards are equally good. That is something I have realized. And not a single person or the proposal out of the 88 or something I have reviewed, I found nothing was to be thrown away. Everybody has done great works. So that is the strength of our nation. So in spite of a lot of weaknesses of our healthcare system, we are discovering, and IHW Council is helping discovering the strengths of our nation. Thank you very much, and let's all have a good evening.
Thank you so much, Dr. Devasis Danda. Seems to be some internet problem with Anisha, and she will be joining back. Till then, I will take the responsibility of moderating this. We will also request our another jury member. We have Dr. Prakriti Poddar also joining us from Canada, and she is a a wonderful and a very dedicated mental health champion, and herself has been leading so many community support work during the COVID-19 time. So, Dr. Prakriti Poddar, if you may like to share your experience of the jury process and the kind of work you got to see from various organizations and individuals.
Hi, hello everyone. Thank you, Kamal, for having me here and making me a part of this jury. I have to say I was extremely impressed with all the work that the companies have been doing and individuals as well. They've led a huge amount of change, especially during this COVID time. And it was really difficult to rank people in the order that we were supposed to, just because everybody's put so much of themselves in here. And I think that if people continue to work like this, we'd definitely be moving towards a healthier, happier world. But thank you so much, and all the best to all the people that have applied for this and all the people that are going to win. We are looking extremely forward to what comes out of today. Thank you, Kamal, for having me.
Thank you so much, Dr. Prakriti, for all your effort and also sparing time to join us, at this time also. So I would also request Dr. Suchin Bajaj, again a frontline corona warrior, somebody who has been working tirelessly in providing healthcare to the people of Delhi, where I live. So, Dr. Suchin Bajaj, if you can share a few words about your experience.
Thank you very much, Kamalji, and thank you to the entire team who worked tirelessly for this. As Dr. Prakriti also said, it was such an impressive array of nominees that I don't think it will be an easy task to compile all the results. The jury certainly did not have an easy task, and we are all very excited to see the final results on who will be the winners. But I feel that anybody who has been nominated to this award should be considering themselves as a winner, because these are very prestigious awards, and the amount of work that has been done recently, especially in the light of the pandemic, has truly brought healthcare workers and healthcare organizations on the center stage. And I'm really proud of being part of this community that has stepped forward, has not shirked even for a minute, where people have been shut inside their houses, offices have been closed, organizations have implemented complete work from homes. But healthcare workers have been standing on the front line without any PPEs, without any proper equipment, especially in the beginning when the supply chains got completely broken down. So very proud of all of the nominees that are on the stage today. And my best wishes to all of you. It has not been an easy task at all for the jury to select the winners. But the winners who will be announced, I think, have done some extremely special work. And you should be all very proud of yourself. And I think these stories that will come out will be shared for generations across, in view of the wonderful human service you've done to humanity in these pandemic times. Thank you very much once again, and thank you, Kamalji.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bajaj. Anisha, I believe you are back, so over to you now.
Thank you, Kamal. These are the pitfalls of technology. You never know when they'll not be a backstop. This is the way it is going, Have you heard from all our esteemed jury members in the day-to-day, Kamal?
Anisha, you can proceed with the award process. I think the Justice Sutantra Kumar will be joining us shortly. We will make him share his experience once he's with us.
All right, so let's begin with the award ceremony, and the fourth CSR Health Impact Awards 2020 COVID-19 edition is designed to identify the best CSR projects and practices targeted on health, hygiene, and environment. We will recognize and reward new approaches, innovation, techniques, and technologies adopted, applied, designed, and delivered in health, air, water, food, sanitation, and hygiene segments, with the potential for scaling up with larger impact benefiting all and shaping the health of this planet. So let's start the fourth CSR Health Impact Awards 2020. The first award that we are giving away is in the category Mainstream Health CSR Project as a large corporate. And in this category, the Gold Award goes to
the Gold Award in Mainstream Health CSR Project category as a large corporate goes to Vedanta, Nandghar.
Vedanta's Nandghar is an exemplary initiative that has transformed the lives of 8.5 crore children and 2 crore women across 13.5 lakh Anganwadis in India. We would invite Ms. Ritu Jingal to please receive the awards.
Yes, thank you.
Congratulations, Ms. Jingal. We're now going to move on to the Silver Award in the Mainstream Health CSR Project as a large corporate.
The Silver Award in Mainstream Health CSR Project category as a large corporate goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance, Caring Hands CSR Initiative.
ICICI Lombard General Insurance has done exemplary work in the area of child health. The initiative screened millions of children and identified about 19,094 of them with poor vision and provided free spectacles to all of them. We invite Mr. Girish Kalra to receive the award. I guess Mr. Kalra is not here with us, but congratulations to the ICICI Lombard team. We'll move on to the next category, which is the Mainstream Health CSR Project as a PSU. And the Gold Award in this category goes to
the Gold Award in Mainstream Health CSR Project category as PSU goes to NTPC Limited, Korba, Chhattisgarh.
NTPC has been providing primary care and conducting information, education, communication, and behavior change communication to generate awareness on health and health-related issues through the advanced mobile health clinic vehicles. We will invite Mr. Gurdeep Singh to receive the award.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I am representing NTPC, D.K. Patel, Director HR. Thanks a lot, madam.
Thank you, and congratulations to the NTPC team on winning the Gold Award. Now, in the Mainstream Health CSR Project as PSU, the Silver Award goes to
the Silver Award in Mainstream Health CSR Project category as PSU goes to THDC India Limited, Telemedicine Health Scheme for Tihri District.
THDC has done phenomenal work in providing healthcare facilities to 40 villages in Tehri district by telemedicine scheme. I would like to invite Mr. Shailendra Singh to receive the award.
Thank you very much. I am Shailendra Singh from THDC India Limited. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to the THDC team. We'll now move on to the mainstream health impact awareness category, and the gold award in this category goes to
The Gold Award in Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category goes to Janssen, Envisaging an India Without Tuberculosis.
Janssen J&J India has launched the first of its kind youth-focused edutainment campaign, MTV Initiate, to destigmatize the TB disease as well as raise awareness. Congratulations to the team. We'd invite Dr. Vandita Gupta to receive the award. It seems Dr. Gupta is perhaps unable to join us now, and we'll get back to her when she does join us. Let's move on to the Silver Award in the Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category.
The Silver Award in Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category goes to SANOFI, Kids, that is Kids and Diabetes in Schools project in Goa.
SANOFI did exemplary work to build awareness of diabetes and its management for a better quality of life, reaching out to 150,000 children in Goa schools. We'd like to invite Ms. Aparna Thomas and Dr. Kavita Chaudhary to receive the award.
Ms. Kavita?
Right, we'll move on to the Bronze Award in the Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category.
The Bronze Award in Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category goes to Metropolis Healthcare Limited, Too Shy to Ask.
The Too Shy to Ask campaign is dedicated to gender education and awareness. It's an application targeted towards teenagers and their parents for sexual health, nutrition, and much more. We'd like to invite Ms. Aishwarya Jayaram to receive the award.
Hi, thank you so much for this award. Aishwarya here from Metropolis.
Congratulations to the entire Metropolis team.
Thank you, Anisha.
Let's now move on to the Environment Impact Initiative. And the award in the Environment Impact Initiative category goes to
The award in Environment Impact Initiative category goes to Renew Power, Clean Energy Crusader.
Renew Power has catered to the electricity need of 13 million citizens and has helped to mitigate 0.5% of India's total carbon emissions, which is very remarkable. We'd like to invite Mr. Dipankar Bose and Mr. Brij Pava to receive the award.
Hi, thank you so much. This is Rich Pava from Renew Power. Apparently, Dipankar couldn't join the call due to certain issues, but thank you again. Thank you so much for the award.
Congratulations to Renew India team. We will now move on to another category, and this is the Swachh Bharat and WASH initiatives. The Gold Award in the Swachh Bharat and WASH initiative goes to
The Gold Award in Swachh Bharat and WASH Initiatives category goes to NTPC Limited, Revival of Municipal Solid Waste Plant, CRUSADER, and WASH Initiatives by NTPC.
Right, NTPC has made safe drinking water needs of rural and underprivileged people, has bridged the gap here, and it has installed hand pumps supplying pipe water, drinking water, renovating ponds, and construction of check dams. So congratulations to the NTPC team, and I would request NTPC team members to please accept the award. If Mr. Gurdeep Singh is there, I would request him to please receive the award, which is for the Gold Award in the Swachh Bharat and WASH Initiative category. All right, let's move on, and we will have Mr. Singh back, or the NTPC team representative back. But let's move on to the Silver Award in the Swachh Bharat and WASH Initiatives category.
The Silver Award in Swachh Bharat and WASH Initiatives category goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance, NIRANJALI CSR Initiative.
ICICI Lombard's NIRANJALI initiative has facilitated clean drinking water for school-going children by installing more than 145 water purifiers in schools and impacting the lives of more than 150,000 children who go to school daily. I'd request Mr. Girish Kara to please receive the award. I'm guessing Mr. Kalra is not with us at this point of time. We'll come back to him when he joins us. Let's move on to the next category, which is the Rural Health Initiative. The Gold Award in the Rural Health Initiative goes to
In Rural Health Initiative category goes to American India Foundation Project the Golden Award.
The Project MANSI is a model in the empowerment of local frontline health workers called the ASHA workers. MANSI was initially implemented as an intensive pilot in the predominantly tribal block of Saraikela Khasman in Jharkhand, and this is the winner in the Rural Health Initiative category. We'd like to invite Mr. Matthew Joseph to receive the award.
Thank you so much. This award is actually dedicated to all the ASHAs who are working with the community at this time. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mr. Joseph, and to the entire MANSI team. We will now go on to the Silver Award in the Rural Health Initiative category.
Silver Award in Rural Health Initiative category goes to AMBUJA Cement Foundation, Maternal Child Health and Non-Communicable Disease Project.
category.
Anisha, may I interrupt in between? Before we go for the next award, we have our Honorable Justice Sudhantra Kumar also with us, who was the head of the jury. And we would like to hear from him because then he will have to, switch on for his other, engagements. So, Justice Sudhantra Kumar, welcome. Nice to see you, sir, and would be happy to hear your experience of CSR health impact jury process. Justice Kumar, are you there, sir? I think my team's. Anisha, you can continue, please. We will cue you if he joins back or if he has already joined.
All right. So let's move on to the Silver Award in the Rural Health Initiative category. Let's see who's won this award.
The Silver Award in Rural Health Initiative category goes to AMBUJA Cement Foundation, Maternal Child Health and Non-Communicable Disease Project.
AMBUJA Cement Foundation has 26 years of community development service under their belt, and the initiative Sakhis, who are continuously providing health intervention to pregnant mothers by monthly visits, mobilizing them for ANC checkups, nutrition sessions, and they identify high-risk pregnancies and do special follow-ups. I'd like to invite Dr. Vinayak Sonamane and Mr. Chandrakant Kumbani to receive the award.
Yeah, this is Dr. Vinayak Sonamane from AMBUJA Cement Foundation, and we received this award for AMBUJA Parivar. Thank you so much. Chandrakantji.
Thank you for the award, ISW.
Congratulations to the AMBUJA team. Now we have the Bronze Award in the Rural Health Initiative category.
The Bronze Award in Rural Health Initiative category goes to Apollo Total Health, a CSR initiative of Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited.
Apollo's Total Health Initiative has catered to the entire community, starting from birth to their journeys into childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and the latter years of life as well. We'd like to invite Dr. Shupana and Dr. Lieutenant General Mandeep Singh to receive the award. Okay, I think the Apollo team members are not with us at this moment. We will come back to them when they join us. We're now going to move on to our COVID-19 special awards. Now we are going to start with the CSR Mega COVID Relief Project, and the Gold Award in the Mega COVID Relief Project category goes to
The Gold Award in Mega COVID Relief Project category goes to Vedanta Limited, COVID Relief Efforts.
Vedanta is amongst the first in the League of Corporates to rise up to the occasion and had committed 201 crores to battle COVID, which includes 101 crores to the Prime Minister's Fund. And the remaining funds have been used for importing PPE machines in collaboration with the Ministry of Textiles and teaming up with authorized apparel manufacturers.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Vedanta team. We're now going to move on to the Silver Award in the Mega COVID Relief Project category.
The Silver Award in Mega COVID Relief Project category goes to HSBC India. COVID Relief Efforts.
HSBC has contributed around 19.7 crores directly and indirectly, supporting about 100,000 families with food, essentials, has also equipped healthcare workers and with about 22,974 PPE kits. So congratulations to the HSBC team. We would invite Mr. Alok Majumdar to receive the award. I guess Mr. Majumdar is not with us here. We'll move on to the Bronze Award in the... Yeah.
Justice Switendra Kumar is here, so you can...
Right. So we're very honored that you are joining us. We have Justice Switendra Kumar joining us, sir. So would request you to please say a few words about the CSR Health Impact Awards.
Well, good evening to all of you. It's my pleasure to speak to you on this award giving ceremony for the different fields of the environment and life related. And I really compliment Mr. Ryan and his entire team for doing this good work in the field of environment and human health. Today, we are facing COVID-19 only because we probably didn't care enough for our natural resources, for maintaining environment and health of the lower strata of our society. So I would not like to stand any longer between the award winners and would just wish and congratulate all the awardees who are getting the awards for different and distinguished services rendered by them in various facets in discharge of their corporate social responsibility or as a human commitment or as a good cause for COVID-19. Whatever it be, I think all of you deserve a great appreciation for the word and the work you have done in the field of human health and environment. And I congratulate the organizers once again for having taken such a effective step and kind of a meaningful step in the present days when it is very difficult to interact. And obviously this technology has paid its dividend. We can work from home, we can talk from home, we can organize functions like this on internet. But that's good, but that should be no substitution for our human interaction and human good. Therefore, while congratulating everybody, I wish all of you the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Justice Switendra Kumar, for your kind word and your support which you provided in finding out the right nominations and along with the other jury members, and also for your kind appearance at this award ceremony today. So thank you so much for all your support and guidance.
Thank you everybody. Thank
you. Right, and like Justice Kumar said, we are working, and little by little, by the efforts that all of you are making, we will surely create a healthier, a cleaner, and a happier country. Let's move on and talk about the Mega COVID Relief projects, and the Bronze Award in this category goes to.
The Silver Award in Mega COVID Relief Project category goes to HSBC India. The Bronze Award in Mega COVID Relief Project category goes to Renew Power. We care.
Renew Power has contributed 100 million rupees towards the PM CARES Fund and 50 million rupees towards the Chief Minister's Fund across 7 states, and the welfare measures across wind, solar sites, supporting hospitals for PPE and medical equipment, daily wage earners through community kitchen, and adopting a village in Haryana. These are all the efforts Renew Power has made. We'd like to invite Mr. Rich Pava, and if Mr. Dipankar Bose is joining us, to receive the award. I guess Mr. Rich Pava is also not with us for now, but let's move on to the next category, which is the CSR Large COVID Relief Project. And the Gold Award in the Large COVID Relief Project category goes to
the COVID Award in Large COVID Relief Project category goes to MICRON Technologies, MICRON India Community Support.
MICRON Technologies Community Task Force has had positive results for communities and enabling multiplier effect for the community's endeavors with a focus on food security and medical contributions to Akshay Patra for COVID responses. I would request Ms. Sharmila Khan and Ms. Neha Bhatia to receive the award.
Thank you, Anisha, and thank you, team, for this prestigious award. On behalf of MICRON, I take this opportunity to thank all of you. Thank you.
Congratulations to the MICRON team. We'll move on to the
The Silver Award in Large COVID Relief Project category goes to ICICI Lombard General Insurance, combating COVID-19.
ICICI Lombard's campaign for the prevention or spread of COVID-19 was amongst the unprivileged sections of the population, particularly vulnerable to the virus and had limited access to screening facilities. The project benefited over 11,000 underprivileged citizens and completed 1,000+ tests for BPL card holders in a short span of time. If Mr. Girish Kalra has joined us, I would request him to please receive the award. Okay, we'll move on to the Bronze Award in the Large COVID Relief Project category.
The Bronze Award in Large COVID Relief Project category goes to Muthoot Finance, COVID-19 Relief Activities.
Muthoot Finance provided grocery kits and household necessities, essentials, masks, gloves, and PPE kits to underprivileged in various states, healthcare warriors, sanitation workers, and police officials so that they could serve people without fear. We'd like to invite Mr. George M. Jacob, Executive Director, and Mr. K.R. Digimon, Chief General Manager, to receive the award.
Thank you. This is George M. Jacob. I dedicate this to all the employees of Muthoot Group. Thank you very much.
Heartiest congratulations to the Muthoot team. The next category is the CSR COVID Relief Project, and the gold in this category goes to
the Gold Award in COVID Relief Project category goes to Hindustan Zinc, Response to COVID-19.
Himani Singh has been supporting children, youth, farmers, and women in the communities across 189 villages in 6 districts of Rajasthan and Pantnagar and contributed 101 crore rupees to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund for COVID-19. I would request Ms. Anupam Nidhi to please receive the award.
Thanks, Anisha, and I thank the jury as well for honoring us with this prestigious award. I take it on behalf of all my team as well as my community members on the ground. Without them, we would not have done what we have done in these couple of months. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to the Himani Singh team. Yeah. And the Silver Award in the COVID Relief Project category goes to
The Silver Award in COVID Relief Project category goes to APM Terminals Pipavav, Gujarat Pipavav Port Limited, CSR COVID-19 Relief Project.
APM Terminal Pipavav ensured smooth functioning of water ATMs, emergency medical services to livestock through their mobile vet clinic and counseling of students and parents through their mobile technology. Heartiest congratulations to the team. I would request Ms. Harsha Shelkar and Mr. Jayant Madhad and Dr. Shailendra Gupta to receive the award.
Hi, good evening. This is Harsha representing GPPL APM Terminals. Thank you all for the award. It's an honor.
Congratulations to the APM Terminals Pipavav team. We have another silver award in the COVID Relief Project category. Let's see who has won the silver award in the COVID Relief Project category.
The Bronze Award in COVID Relief Project category goes to Sterile Tech Foundation, Holistic Community Support during COVID-19.
Okay, so this is the Bronze Award in the COVID Relief Project category, and Sterile Tech Foundation has been providing holistic relief plan to reach out to not only communities afflicted by the pandemic, but also health workers, stranded migrant laborers, and general public as well. We'd invite Mr. Hemant Shuki to please receive the award. All right, until Mr. Shakeen joins us, let's announce the Silver Award in the COVID Relief Project category.
The Silver Award in COVID Relief Project PSU category goes to SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. Protect those who protect us.
Right, SBI Life Insurance provided 300,000 plus PPE kits to more than 65,000 frontline workers in 16 states and union territories, ensuring their personal safety and benefiting about 10,000 plus underprivileged sections of the society. SBI Life contributed 2.5 crores to Shetty. Please receive the award.
Thank you very much. I should thank the team at SBI Life who have across the country worked together to make this possible. And thank you to everybody who's been here. I'm sure everyone is doing great work. Thank you very much.
Right. Let's move on to the Gold Award in the COVID Relief Project NGO category.
The Gold Award in COVID Relief Project NGOs category goes to Oxfam India, Project BSP, Protect, Preserve, Secure.
Oxfam India reached out to 2 lakh people across 66 districts across 15 states, including women and girls, in an effort to address the socio-economic impact of the pandemic through the key strategy for the response, Leave No One Behind, and provided a guiding concept of do no harm during the testing times. I would like to invite Mr. Pankaj Anand and Mr. Andrew Naskar to receive the award.
Thank you, ISW Council, members of the jury, and we dedicate this award to all our staff, all our partner organizations and volunteers. Thank you so much. This means a lot to us.
Congratulations to the Oxfam team. Let's move on to the Silver Award in the COVID-19 Relief Project NGO category.
The Silver Award in COVID Relief Project NGOs category goes to Smile Foundation, India Shares.
The Smile Foundation covered 19 states in the country through dry ration distribution, the Survival Kit program, and has served about 10 million meals to 150,000 underprivileged children and families. I would request Mr. Sanjeev Dham to receive the award.
Satnam this side, on behalf of Mr. Dham, I received the award. Thank you so much to IHW Council, and thank you, the jury.
Congratulations. Now we move on to the COVID Protection Project category, and the Gold Award in COVID Protection Project category goes to
The Gold Award in COVID Protection Project category goes to Wipro GE Healthcare, Holistic Approach to COVID Relief, Diagnosis, Testing, Training and Treatment.
Wipro GE Healthcare had a holistic approach to COVID relief, touching several aspects of prevention, care, and diagnosis by testing kiosks, isolation wards, training of doctors, paramedics, and frontline workers across 3 states on COVID, and innovative CT inbox solution for COVID diagnosis. I would like to invite Mr. Rohit P. Gupta and Mr. Amit Khandelwal to receive the award.
Thank you, jury. On behalf of Wipro GE Healthcare and all its employees, we humbly accept this award. Thanks a lot, everybody.
Congratulations to the Wipro GE team. The Silver Award in the COVID Protection Project goes to
The Silver Award in COVID Protection Project category goes to Tech Mahindra Foundation, Flush the Virus, COVID Protection Project.
Flush the Virus campaign was unleashed in urban slums of Mumbai with the support and guidance from UNICEF India, and targeted Asia's biggest slum area, Dharavi, and nearby areas in Mumbai by cleaning and maintaining hygiene to make them fit for use and break the chain of community transmission of COVID-19 virus. I would like to invite Dr. Nidhi H. Kevalramani to receive the award.
Thank you. I will, on behalf of my team, Dr. Nidhi Kevalramani, is humbly thankful to the jury members for recognizing this project on this platform. And I would also like to thanks to our implementing partners, which is a UNICEF, which is a knowledge in technical knowledge partner, and as well as CBO Federation, who has helped us to recognize where are the hotspots, and CYDA and also the TPM, who are the implementing partners for this project. Thank you.
Congratulations. Next is the Bronze Award in the COVID Protection Project.
The Bronze Award in COVID Protection Project category goes to Horiba India.
Horiba India extended a helping hand to approximately 15,000 daily wage laborers in North and West Delhi slum areas in support with Sahyog Care for You NGO by distributing essentials, soap, sanitizer, and educating children on the importance of sanitization. Congratulations to the Horiba India team. We will now move on to our next category, which is the COVID Indigenous Response Project. And the gold in this category goes to
The Gold Award in COVID Indigenous Response category goes to Vedanta Limited, Lanjigarh, COVID Readiness Program.
Vedanta has made a consistent effort to cater to the increased demand for medical provisions like washable face masks and soaps while creating livelihood opportunity for community in Orissa. The team has enabled and nurtured 83 women SHG members with requisite skills and established an uninterrupted production system of masks, concurrently promoting self-dependency. I request the Vedanta team to please receive this award. If we have Mr. Rakesh Mohan, Dr. Bhushan Parhi, and Ms. Sonal Choithani to receive the award.
Good evening to all of you. We are happy doing what we do, but the happiness goes 2 notches higher when that gets recognized too. Thank you so much. Humbly accepting this reward. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Vedanta team. And the Silver Award in the COVID Indigenous Response category goes to
The Silver Award in COVID Indigenous Response category goes to Reliance Power, COVID Response.
Reliance Power achieved zero death and minimal COVID impact compared to surrounding areas in targeted villages, and with complete COVID medical aid, meticulous planning, and consistent efforts. I would like to invite Mr. Hriday Singh Tomar, Mr. Ekinath Khetkar, and Mr. Rajesh Kumar to receive the award. If any member of the Reliance Power team is here, I would request you to please receive the award. Okay, we'll move on and give away the next set of awards. And this is the COVID Social Impact Business. The Gold Award in the COVID Social Impact Business category goes to
The Gold Award in COVID Social Impact Business category goes to Zikitsa Healthcare Limited, COVID Healthcare Warriors.
Zikitsa is currently operating 3,300 plus ambulances across 16 states in India and is also playing a key role in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. I would like to invite Mr. Manish Sacheti and Ms. Aishwarya Rao, to receive the award.
Yeah, this is Manish here from Zikitsa. On behalf of the entire organization and the COVID warriors of the organization, I would like to thank you for the award, for the honor, and we would hope definitely that we continue to do the work that we've been doing and continue to contribute to society. Thank you. Thank you again for the award.
Congratulations to the team. Time now for the Silver Award in the COVID Social Impact Business category.
The Silver Award in COVID Social Impact Business category goes to Medica Bazaar. Medica Bazaar fights Corona.
Medica Bazaar undertook more than a dozen initiatives to fight COVID-19, which include selling 10 million masks and 1 million PPE kits, over 500 life-saving ventilators installed, an additional 1,000 plus in pipeline. They have trained 2,000 technicians, interventionists, and critical care specialists on life-saving techniques through ventilators. I request Mr. Vivek Tiwari to please receive the award.
Thank you, ISW Council and the eminent jury for this award. It's a great honor for Medica Bazaar family. We have been working tirelessly to fight this pandemic just from the beginning, from January, and it's been very challenging and stressful times for us, but we contributed immensely with many initiatives, whether it was COVID testing booth, whether it was training the technicians for using ventilators, or it was ensuring PPE supplies during lockdown. Our entire team was working 24/7. So this is for all the Medica Bazaar family members. Thank you once again.
Congratulations to the Medica Bazaar team. The Bronze Award in the COVID Social Impact Business category.
The Bronze Award in COVID Social Impact Business category goes to We Health by Aetna. Healthcare for all.
We Health by Aetna is a virtual doctor consultation for the community in India. We Health doctors supported people virtually and are available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. They service 3.5 million members with contactless vouchers in membership kits. I would like to invite Mr. Ashish Maheshwari to receive the award.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for giving us the award. Thanks, organizer. It is really appreciated that we are getting this award, and it really motivates us in this journey where we are trying to touch each and every life of our members and to give all the possible medical care, especially in the time of the social distancing, wherein physical consultations become really difficult for any of our members and the population at large. We Health by Aetna is striving to make inroads to make sure that we are able to cure and deliver the best of services for our members. Thank you everyone. This is really motivating for us and all our team members at our company. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations to the Aetna team. I would request all participants to please put themselves on mute so that we can hear the award winners clearly. We'll now move on to the COVID Healthcare Provider category, and the Gold Award in this category goes to
The Gold Award in COVID Healthcare Provider category goes to Wish Foundation. COVID Response.
Wish Foundation provided telehealth solutions to home quarantine isolated patients. They also helped in tracing and tracking of contacts, thus continuing care through telehealth OPDs to communities during the COVID-19 pandemic. I would request Mr. Joy Gopal Podar and Ms. Alka Pathak to receive the award.
I can't see Joy here, but this is Alka Pathak from the Wish Foundation. And I want to dedicate this award as well to our entire Wish team, our CEO, Mr. Rajesh Ranjan, and the COVID warriors who have worked tirelessly through the last 5 months of this pandemic with their very hard work right in the front lines. Many of them have got affected, infected, they've got cured, and they've gone back to the work again. So on their behalf, I accept this award. Thank you very much, IHW India and the jury, and thank you, Anisha.
Thank you, Anisha. This is Joy Gopal from LEHS Wish. Yes, through our 650 clinics across 5 states and our telemedicine initiatives, we have been on ground zero from day one, fighting the pandemic, working with communities, screening patients, identifying those infected, trying to help save lives. And thank you so much for this award and for the recognition. It gives us more power to go ahead with what we're doing. Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations to the Wish Foundation team. The Silver Award in the COVID Healthcare Provider category goes to
The Silver Award in COVID Healthcare Provider category goes to Zydus Hospitals, the Hod run by Zydus Foundation.
Zydus Hospital, Dahod expanded their 150-bed hospital to 363 beds with over 400 professionals, including doctors, nurses, and paramedics, offering medical care and providing free treatment. Zydus Hospital was turned into a 100-bed quarantine center. So, I'd like to invite Dr. Sanjay Kumar to receive the award.
Yes. On behalf of Zydus Hospital and Zydus Foundation, I would like to thank IHW Council and the jury for recognizing our hard work. I dedicate this award to all the frontline healthcare workers who lost their life during this pandemic crisis for fighting against the Corona-19. And I pray Almighty God to let their soul rest in peace. And all the nursing doctors, nursing staff, the paramedical and the class 3, class 4 workers who were involved while treating these cases. We are located in a tribal area in East Gujarat, adjoining Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It's a border district, and in the range of 150 kilometers, we are the only tertiary care hospital providing this facility. And I thank our chairman, Mr. Pankaj Patel, sir, in my headquarters, and I'll be failing if I don't recognize the continuous support and guidance of our Health Secretary, Government of Gujarat, Ms. Jayanti Ravi, and the Commissioner Health, Mr. Jayant Sivhare, and our local district collector, Mr. Vijay Khadadi. Once again, thank you so much for recognizing our hard work. Good day.
Congratulations to the Zydus Hospital team. And now the Bronze Award in the COVID Healthcare Provider category goes to
The Bronze Award in COVID Healthcare Provider category goes to Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital. BLK's fight against the Corona pandemic.
Dr. B.L. Kapoor Memorial Hospital has provided world-class medical treatment and services to COVID patients, screening, plasma therapy, RT-PCR, and rapid antigen testing, and has offered dedicated beds for COVID, ICU and wards, and dedicated COVID units. I would request Dr. Suhas and Dr. Kulwinder to receive the award.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vivek from BLK Hospital. Dr. Suhas and Dr. Kulwinder are busy in some other commitment. Again from BLK Hospital, I am thanking everyone for the recognizing of her. Thank you very much.
Right. Congratulations to the BK Memorial Hospital team. Our next category is the COVID Response Skill and Training category, and the award goes to
The award in COVID Response and Skills category goes to Artist, Capacity Building Preparing COVID Warriors.
Artist has trained healthcare professionals in maternal and child health space at a large scale through a digital platform. I would invite Dr. Himani Singh to receive the award.
Namaskar. I received this award on behalf of Team Artist along with Dr. Diwakar, and thanks very much for motivating us and encouraging us, and also reminding us of our responsibility to do more. And congratulations to all the other winners and the participants as well. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Artist team. Our next category is the COVID Essential Heroes category, and the award goes to
The award in COVID Essential Heroes category goes to Dr. Vivek Bindra, Bada Business, Food for Life.
Dr. Bindra distributed free food to people living on daily earnings and finding hard to meet the two ends. Along with the Delhi state government and in association with ISKCON, this initiative has given life to more than 50,000 families, including children and the elderly. I request Dr. Vivek Bindra to receive the award.
This is Sunil Chopra here. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of BadaBusiness.com. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and privilege to actually accept this award on behalf of Dr. Vivek Bindra, who could not join us here this evening, though he very much wanted to. I'd like to thank the ISW Council as well as the eminent jury for conferring this award. But I must also mention here that apart from this gesture, there is something that Dr. Bindra has been doing which is very close to his heart during this time to actually counter the impact of COVID in a different arena, which is by empowering and enabling millions of MSMEs across the country by reaching out to them through our platform, offering them all kind of counseling and courses and tools and techniques to actually save their businesses. So there's a story beyond what probably has been acknowledged and appreciated today, which we are very grateful to you all for. But I think I should also share with you that it's something we are very, very proud of, which is a different arena. Like I said, we're helping people also save their businesses through our organization.
Right.
Thank you once again.
Congratulations to the Bada Business team. We will now move on to the award in the COVID Essential Heroes category.
The award in COVID Essential Heroes category goes to Dr. Meera Agnihotri, WWW Foundation.
The WWW Foundation has done extensive work in health, hygiene, social medical awareness for school-going girls, maternity and child health services, antenatal classes, Garbha Sansar, and an initiative to initiating a drive to make our country anemia-free. I would request Dr. Meera Agnihotri to receive the award.
Namaskar again. On behalf of Dr. Meera Agnihotri, I'm here to receive this award, and her vision and mission of empowering the women along with the synergies of all those present here is a dream waiting to be fulfilled. Thank you.
The award in the COVID Essential Heroes category goes to
The award in COVID Essential Heroes category goes to Dr. Rishma Dhillan Pai, Mumbai Obstetric and Gynecological Society, MOGS V-Care and Share Program.
The We Share and Care program was launched by her along with the co-convener of the program, Dr. Rishikesh Pai, during the installation on 10th May 2020, keeping in mind the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. I would invite Dr. Rishma Dhillan Pai to receive the award.
Thank you. Thank you so much on behalf of the Mumbai Obstetric and Gynecological Society, for which I am the president at the present moment. We are always there as a society for all the healthcare workers and for the patients we serve, especially the women and the children whom we look after. So thank you for this opportunity, for this honor, and we are continuing to really reach out to every possible patient and healthcare worker with all the help that we can. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. And now we have the COVID Social Champions Charity category, and the Gold Award goes to
The Gold Award in COVID Social Champion Charity category goes to Srimad Rajchandra Sarvamangal Trust, COVID-19 Relief Program.
The Trust got into action to serve local communities affected by the pandemic and the resultant crisis. Over millions of people across various locations in 50 cities were supported and relief was provided. I would like to invite Atma Arpit Nemji and Dr. Bijal Mehta to receive the award.
Hi Anisha, thank you, and thank you to IHW Council for recognizing the work. I would like to dedicate this award to our spiritual master Puja Gurudev Shri Rakesh Bhai, who when the pandemic hit, he said that if virus is contagious, let's make compassion more contagious. And he himself started making the program of 360-degree health provision to the community and the health workers and all frontliners. And along with him, We have 2,500 volunteers since 5 months tirelessly working. So I would like to dedicate this award to our mentor, Puja Gurudev Rakesh Bhai, and all the volunteers who's been working as COVID warriors. Thank you, Anisha.
Congratulations. Now, the Silver Award in the COVID Social Champion Charity Award charity category goes to
the Silver Award in COVID Social Champion Charity category goes to Mantra for Change and Surya Foundation. COVID-19 emergency.
Mantra for Change and Surya Foundation collaborated to work on a two-pronged approach for supporting the needy with food and ration kits, and in parallel supporting the frontline warriors. I would like to invite Mr. Puneet, Mrs. Sarvana, and Mr. Santosh More to receive the award. If Mr. Puneet, Mr. Sarvana, or Mr. Santosh More are on this call, request them to please receive their award. All right, we're going to move on and move on to the Bronze Award in the COVID Social Champion Charity category.
The Bronze Award in COVID Social Champion Charity category goes to Samta Purushottam Agrawal Memorial Foundation, COVID-19 Protectors.
The foundation supplied sanitizers, masks, thermometers, oximeters, vitamin C, and camphora homeopathic medicines at grassroots level, slums, tribal areas, and at police stations. I would request Mr. Deepak Loya and Mr. Tanaji Khan to receive the award. Yes, please go on, Mr. Loya.
Thank you, ISW Foundation, for this prestigious award. ऐसे अवार्ड से हमें और नई ऊर्जा मिलती है और जोश के साथ काम करने की प्रेरणा मिलती है। ये अवार्ड मैं हमारे पूरे फाउंडेशन की टीम को और हमारे चेयरमैन को डेडिकेट करना चाहूंगा। हमारी पूरी टीम आदिवासी एरिया, प्रिजन में और ऐसे एरिया में काम करती है जहाँ बहुत हम लोग काम करते हैं, जैसे रेड लाइट एरिया है, थर्ड जेंडर है, और आगे हम इसको और आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ऐसे अवार्ड से हमें नई प्रेरणा मिलेगी।
आपके फाउंडेशन को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। The next category is the COVID-focused community support category, and the gold award in this category goes to
the gold award in COVID-focused community support category goes to Samarth Community Forum, Samarth National Helpline for Elderly Against COVID-19.
The Samarth Community Forum set up a free helpline to offer support to the elderly to stay safe at home, with essential needs being met during this time of crisis. Samarth supported elderly who were part of its 30,000 plus community in 40 cities. I would like to invite Ashish Gupta and Mr. Gaurav Agarwal to receive the award.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Anisha, and many thanks to the jury and ISW Council. This is for our hundreds of care counselors, associates, volunteers, as well as student and faculty partners in university and institutions who helped us keep elderly safe across cities of India. Thank you very much for inspiring and encouraging us. Thanks.
Congratulations to the team. Next is the Silver Award in the COVID-focused Community Support category.
The Silver Award in COVID-19 focused community support category goes to Shadow Facts, steps up for the most vulnerable during COVID-19.
Shadowfax was a committed last mile delivery player, and Shadowfax intensified its actions and partnered with governments and private organizations to help the worst hit during the pandemic. I would invite Ms. Gitanjali Prohit to receive the award.
Hi, good evening everyone present here. I would like to thank the CSR Impact Awards for awarding us this prestigious award. And on behalf of the entire Shadowfax team that has been working hard towards the COVID relief efforts, I would like to dedicate this award to the entire Shadowfax team. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to Team Shadowfax. Next is the Bronze Award in the COVID-focused Community Support category.
The Bronze Award in COVID-focused community support category goes to Bhanumati Ramesh Shah Charitable Trust and Welcome Cure, Health and Immunity for our COVID warriors and citizens.
The BSRT Trust, along with Welcome Cure Homeopathy, donated immunity medicines along with Dr. Care program by telemedicine to 3 lakh centers in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and especially the red zones in the Dharavi slums. I would like to invite Mr. Snail Shah and Mr. Ankit Shah to receive the award. Snail Shah, I would request you to unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Hello. Yeah. I'm extremely overwhelmed and happy beyond any stretch of imagination, especially the dedication and the hard work of our team to work during this pandemic to serve these COVID warriors. Receiving this award has made our journey more satisfying, and coming from the CSR domain and being nominated here and now receiving it is absolutely beyond any happiness, beyond any bounds of imagination. I thank IHW Council, our partners, and various others to have given us an opportunity to be amongst this august audience. And whether we are nominated and others who are not nominated, all have played a very, very important role. And hearty congratulations to everybody. And thanks and rewarding us in such a category. Thanks a ton. Thank you so much.
Heartiest congratulations to the VSRT team. We also have special jury awards, people who have done outstanding work, organizations who have done outstanding work during these difficult times. So it's now time for the first special jury award.
The first special jury award goes to Project Step 1.
माराठी स्क्रीन में ना जवाएगा एक खराब लगे
Step 1 has initiated India's largest group of volunteer doctors and technologists fighting COVID-19 using telemedicine. It is providing free access to care via telemedicine. I would request all participants to please put their mics on mute, and I would request Mr. Raghavendra Prasad TS to receive the award. I would like to invite Mr. Raghavendra Prasad to receive the award. Right, we'll move on to our second special jury award for COVID-19 response.
The second special jury award goes to American Indian Foundation, COVID-19 Relief and Response.
The American Indian Foundation made an exemplary contribution during COVID-19 for their community-focused health intervention in association with multi-stakeholders that are addressing India's significant hurdles in accessing quality and affordable healthcare for mothers and newborns. I would invite Mr. Matthew Joseph to receive the award.
Across state and meaningful partnership with all grassroots organizations, lead efforts in really hard areas. Thank you for your partnership. COVID is one of the toughest challenges ever faced by humanity, and we really thank everyone for this. Since chapter.
Right. Congratulations to the American Indian Foundation and congratulations, Mr. Matthew Joseph. Now, the third special jury award goes to
The third special jury award goes to Believer Church College Hospital.
Believer Church Medical College Hospital, Kerala has done free and subsidized care, community outreach, social service projects, and the response during the Kerala flood of 2018 was commendable. I would invite Dr. George Chandy to please receive the award.
Thank you so much. And on behalf of Dr. George Chandy, this is Dr. Samuel Chittaranjan, thanking the IHW Council team for graciously making this award to us. And we also thank the jury for it. Thank you so much. We dedicate it to our COVID response team that is so hard at work in our hospital 24/7 to provide the best care for them. Thank you.
Congratulations to your team. Now, there were a few awards that I did announce earlier in the day, and we now have their team members joining us. And I would like to request them to please receive the awards that they were given.
The Gold Award in Mainstream Health Impact Awareness category goes to Janssen, Envisaging an India Without Tuberculosis.
Janssen J&J launched their first of its kind youth-focused edutainment campaign, MTV Initiate, to destigmatize TB disease. I would request Dr. Vandita Gupta to receive the award.
Thank you, CSR India Awards, for providing us this recognition. We share this award with our several implementation partners who really made this happen. Thank you, and we really acknowledge the recognition.
Congratulations. Right. The silver award in the COVID social champion category. Let's just listen in and rewind this award. It went to Mantra for Change.
The silver award in COVID social champion charity category goes to Mantra for Change and Surya Foundation. COVID-19 emergency.
Congratulations to Mantra for Change and Surya Foundation. I would like to invite Mr. Puneet, Mrs. Sarvana, and Mr. Santosh to receive the award. I request Mr. Puneet, Mrs. Sarvana, and Mr. Santosh More to receive the award. I guess they are not with us at this point in time, but this is an occasion to congratulate all the award winners today. You've done exemplary work in your CSR projects, in the COVID relief projects. You deserve all the accolades and more. Thank you to all teams for joining us today. And this highlights the incredible work done by each project in these tough times. The corona pandemic has brought disruption in our lives and many uncertainties will still remain. All the teams who have won today have shown us their commitment and dedication to fulfill the goals that they set out for themselves without wavering in the fear of their own health and well-being. Congratulations to all the winners today, and thank you so much for joining us for the 4th CSR Health Impact Awards. Good night and have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Everyone for joining us this evening. And there were some technical glitches, so we are sorry for that. Some of our awardees could not attend the program on time. So we apologize for these problems, but some of them are out of our control. We are trying to do best what we can do. I would also like to just quickly thank our team, which was working tirelessly behind the scene from ISW Council as well. Our colleague Himani Singh, who was managing most of the thing. Also thanks to Anisa for helping us putting this show together, and has been a very important partner in spreading the health awareness all through this lockdown. We also would like to thank Vidhi Tandon. I'm sure many of you who have attended today would be coordinating with her. She put a lot of effort to reach out to the people and gather these nominations so that we can see maybe a little bit of what immense work is being done across the country. Also, our another colleague Riya Galap, Akshay, who was putting together all these videos which you saw in respect and in recognition to our awardees. Mirza Khurram Beg, who was putting together a lot of creative design effort to make it look a little bit more appealing. Swati Yadav, who has been working tirelessly to spread awareness on social media, and Saurabh Umar, who was kind of jack of all trades for many of the things which we are doing. Also, a special thanks to Vivekanand Misra and Rajiv Kumar for all his help and support in putting this entire show together. Thank you so much, everyone. Our partners, artists, Waze, Holiba, World Toilet Organization, and as well as Jagran Pahal. We deeply are grateful to them for all their support. We will be back on September 1st with another mega initiative of ISW Council, Bharat Nutrition Week. As I told all of you at the beginning, that we stand for good food, good air, good water, and good healthcare for all. And good food is something we as a country definitely lack on that area. And there are so much to do and work on that side. And we, with this Bharat Nutrition Week, are trying to bring together stakeholders from across the board, from farm to those who make sure that the food comes to our plate, even those who manage our kitchen. We will be bringing all of them together along with the policy makers and the country leadership to look into that how we can make nutritious food available to each one of us, each of the Indian, and every child, every mother, every person at every age. So thank you so much, all your support for ISW Council so far. We look forward to continue doing our effort with the support from all of you. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thanks, Kamal. Good night. Good night.
Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you very much, Kamalji. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you.